Hi, today I'll be doing a video on photoelectron spectroscopy. So here's some things that you should know about it. First, the closer to the nucleus, the stronger the ionization energy required to remove an electron. And then on the chart, same height equals same number of electrons. Alright, and let me draw one here real quick. So we're gonna have a line down here, line up here. It's got number of electrons. Down here it's ionization. No, it's binding energy, basically the energy. So over here we have 500, 400, 300, etc. Over here 0. Now notice how the 500 is on the left side. That means the nucleus is here, next to the strongest. If this chart was flipped, where the high number, like 1000, is here, that means you're going to read the chart the other way around, and this is where the nucleus is located. But in our case, it's from right to left. So here's what we're given with. Alright, so something like this. Now, this is the number of electrons over here. So as you can see, these two are supposed to be the same height, and this one is significantly higher. So what does this tell us? This one is going to be 1s2. This is 2s2, and this is 2p6. Right. Now notice how there's a huge gap in the middle. That's because the number of shells changed. It went from the first shell, nucleus, to the second shell. And now if I were to have a 3p in there as well. Now if I were to have a 3p in here as well, it's going to be a very long line and then 3s2. Now every time you see a very long gap, you know that a shell changed, an extra shell over there. And now let's analyze the details. So first, how do I know this is 1s2? Because it's closest to the nucleus. The closest circle around the nucleus is always 1s2. And that tells me this height means 2 electrons. So over here, it's also 2s2. And now notice how this is significantly higher. Then I knew the next shell was 2p6. Alright, so now if we were to write the electrical configuration, we're going to write 1s2, 2s2, and 2p6. Now, how do I know it's 1s2 and not 1s1? Well, that is because in order to get to 2s2, the 1s subshell has to be filled completely. And then that's basically telling me that this height means 2 electrons. So anything on this height means 2. And this, since it's about 3 times this high, I know it's 2p6. So this is our electron configuration over here. And yep, that's pretty much all you need to know for electron spectroscopy chart. And we'll do more with these later. Thank you for watching.